everybody, welcome back to Seametal channel. It's me again. Nice seeing you. And in my last two videos, I have introduced two nice summer gifts. Yes, it's car cooling fans. And today I'm bringing a new one, updated version of car cooling fan, and still with two heads. Okay, you can see the difference is it with our Seametal logo here. Okay, it's two heads and it can rotate 360 degree rotation, and also you can adjust its direction. Okay, then it can rotate very flexibly. Okay, and it will be other updated nice gift for your summer, and you can choose it freely for yourself and your friends or your family. Okay, let's take a look at it closely. In the package there are fans and also with the blanket similar to the one I introduced before, and we have got a different supporter here and clip. Okay, you can use it on your car panel or maybe sun shield panel to fix it. Okay, we'll install it later and show you the details. And also in the package there is a memo, and you may read it carefully before you use it. Okay, here it is with a cigarette lighter socket, and yes, you may use it. You can see here is max and off. Okay, later we'll install it and show you how it works. Okay, this fan its similarity is made with ABC material. It's strong and durable, and when you feel it, when you touch it, the material is nice. Okay, you feel comfortable. Okay, and it with a long lifespan, and you may use it for years. Okay, so don't worry, it's yes, and when you use it, you may see the wind. Okay, with strong and soft, and it is with low hum. I mean, it's very quiet. Okay, now we may fix it in the car. So now first let's take out this one, and you see here you can move it, adjust it freely. Okay, first let's fix it on this driver's seat and this part. Okay, you find the place and fix it firmly on this side. Okay, the second step, you may see there is a knob here, and please rotate it loosely, but not take it off. Okay, just a little looser, then you put the ball, insert it into this, then knob it. Okay, rotate it firmly. Okay, you see now it's fixed. Okay, then let's try it and insert this into the cigarette lighter socket. Okay, now we have got the fixed fan here, and let's check how it works. Okay, you may switch it on, the light will be on, and you see the wind with low hum, and it's quiet, and the wind is strong. Okay, you may feel the wind is so strong, but it's very quiet. Okay, and also you can turn the direction for the other passengers. Okay, everyone, as I showed you just now, I installed here so it can bring cooler air to the passengers sitting on the rear seat, or it can cool your dog. But also we have another way, so you have two options to choose how to install it. Okay, you can use this clip, so the installation is quite easy too. And with this a little loose, and you just insert this ball shape into. Okay, so now it's connected, and you may use it in anywhere you like. Okay, you can install it on the sunshade panel or your car panel in the front for the passengers in the front seat, and also you may hang it on here. Okay, for a quick cooler in the summer days. So it's quite portable. It's very convenient to use, and you may choose one for your hot summer days. Okay, everybody, thank you for your time on watching our videos, and you may support us, like, comment, or subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, you will learn more detailed products from Seametal company. Thanks for watching.